Ako po si Erica Joyce Reyes ang magtuturo sa inyo ng mga front court techniques. Net shot. Shot hit from the forecourt that just clears the net and drops sharply. The badminton net kill, as the name suggests, is a kill shot at the net. The shot is executed when you want to execute your opponent for hitting a bad shot, such as a net. Ito naman po ang flick shot. A quick wrist and forearm rotation that surprises an opponent by changing on. Ituturo ko naman po sa inyo ang types of serve. Forehand serve. Ito naman po ituturo ay backhand serve. Backhand is hitting the shuttle when you racket while the back of your hand is facing the shuttle. Ako po si Erica Joyce Reyes. Nagtuturo sa inyo ng badminton.